Hi guys, welcome back to our Python tutorial. Today, we're learning how to use if, elif, and else statements. This helps our program make decision. 1. We start asking by user for their score using the input function. Since input gives a string, we convert it into integer using int. Step 2. Now we use if, elif, and else to check different conditions. If the score is 90 or above, the program prints excellence, you got an A. If the first condition is false, Python checks this one. If the score between 80 to 89, it prints great job, you got a B. If score is 70 to 79, you get a C. If score is 60 to 69, it shows you passed. If none of the above conditions are true, score below 60, it goes to the else block. That's it. You got just made a decision making program in Python using if, elif, and else. You can try changing number to see different outputs.